Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have been discussed solve example number 4. Today I am going to discuss the solve example number 5. And the question is, find the area bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 and the coordinates x equals to 0 and x is equals to a. As you know that x equals to 0 is equation of y-axis. Hence, x equals to 0 represents y-axis. Then what is x is equals to a? In PUC first year, we have been studying the ellipse. In that ellipse, we also studied the foci of the ellipse and the eccentricity of the ellipse. Say here that this is your ellipse. And vertices of the ellipse are what? A comma 0 and minus a comma 0. And foci of the ellipse is f1 and f2. The coordinate of f1 is what? C comma 0 and coordinate of f2 is what? Minus c comma 0. What is meant by eccentricity? Eccentricity of the ellipse. Eccentricity of the ellipse is the ratio of eccentricity of the ellipse is the ratio of distance of foci from the center. Eccentricity of the ellipse is the ratio of distance of foci from the center to the distance of vertex from the center, and distance of vertex from the center is a. So that is c by e. Therefore, e or eccentricity is equals to c divided by a. Hence, the value of c is equals to what? A. Hence, the coordinate of foci 1 is what? A e comma 0. And foci 2 is what? Minus a e comma 0. Hence, x is equals to a e. X is equals to a e is a line which passes to focus of the ellipse, which passes to focus of the ellipse and parallel to y-axis, and parallel to y-axis. I hope all of you understood this. Let's draw the figure. Let this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Origin x dash and y dash. So let's draw the figure. This is your ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. And next, x equals to 0 is what? Y-axis. And x is equals to a is a line parallel to y-axis and which passes to focus of the ellipse. Suppose this line is x is e. I hope all of you understand. His question is, find the area bounded by the ellipse and the line x equals to 0 and the line x is equals to a. So we need to find out this one area and this second area, because this area is covered by ellipse and the line x is equals to a and the line x is equals to 0. So we need to find out the first and second area which are present in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. For that case, we just find out the area present inside the first quadrant and that area is multiplied by 2 because ellipse is symmetrical upon the x-axis and y-axis. So therefore required area is equals to O A B C into 2. I hope all of you understand it. Therefore required area is equals to 2 times of required area is equals to 2 times of area of what? Area of O A B C. O A B C. I hope all of you understand it. Now, so we are going to find out the area inside the first quadrant. Just say it. And here we can take a vertical strip of width dx. When we are going to take a vertical strip of width dx, we must integrate with respect to x. when we are going to integrate with respect to x, we must try to know the limits of x also. So for the required area O, A, B, C, x is varying from origin to the point A. Already know that the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0, and the coordinates of the point A is, because A point lies on x-axis and the line x is equal to A, therefore x coordinate of the point A is what? A, and y coordinate of the point A, because A point lies on x-axis, its y coordinate should be equal to 0. I hope all of you understand. Therefore, for the required area O, A, B, C, x is varying from 0 to A. Hence, the required area A is equal to 2 into integration from 0 to A y of dx. Y of dx. Here we are going to integrate with respect to x. So y must be a function of x. So the value of y in terms of x is obtained by the given equation of Phillips. I hope all of you understand. Therefore, we need to find out the value of y from the equation of Phillips. So just shift this x square by a square towards the right hand side. So therefore, the value of y square divided by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square towards the RHS side. So minus x square divided by a square. Here we can take a square as LCM. So here multiplied by a square. 1 into a square minus x square divided by LCM is a square. I hope all of you understand. Therefore, the value of y square is equal to, shift this b square towards the RHS side. So here it is in the divided form. So when you shift towards the right hand side, it becomes a multiple form. So b square divided by a square into what? A square minus x square. I hope all of you understand. But we need to find out the value of y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to square root of b square by a square into a square minus x square. Square root of b square minus a square is plus minus b by a into square root of a square minus x square. But we are finding the area present inside the first quadrant, so we just take the positive value of y. Therefore, area A is equal to 2 times of integration of 0 to a b by a is a constant taken outside the integral. So 2 times of b by a into square root of a square minus x square with respect to x t. I hope all of you understand. Just apply the formula for integration of square root of a square minus x square. Already have been known. So 2 times of b by a into integration of square root of a square minus x square is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a over the limit 0 to e. 0 to e. I hope all of you understand. Apply upper limit minus lower limit, which is equal to 2 times of b by e. Upper limit is ae divided by 2 into square root of a square minus a square b square, because x is a, x square is a square, e square. Here we can take a square as a common. What is the remaining thing? 1 minus e square. E square common, so the remaining thing is 1 minus e square. I hope all of you understand. Plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of ae divided by a, because x is ae divided by a get cancelled in sin inverse of minus lower limit is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 0 by a is sin inverse 0. The value of sin inverse 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. I hope all of you understood. Now apply the values. Now see here the required area is equal to 2 times of b by a. ae by 2 square root of a square is 1 over the square becomes a into a square. A square e divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus e square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of e. I hope all of you understand. Here inside the bracket there is two terms a square e divided by 2 into square root of 1 minus a square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse e. So in between these two terms we can take a square by 2 as a common. So let's take in a square by 2 is common. 2 times of d by a into a square by 2 is common. What is the remaining thing here? E into square root of 1 minus e square plus a square by 2 is common. Remaining thing is what? Sin inverse. I hope all of you understand. Therefore here these two and these two get cancelled. 1a from denominator, 1a from numerator get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? A is equals to b into a. ab. Here 1a is cancelled. Remaining 1a. A into b, ab. Into what? E into square root of 1 minus e square plus